Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Section 12.7, the secrets to Excel's date and time functions. It's simple. You want it today's date, put in equal today, parentheses, and we have today's date. You want the current date with current time equals now. We have today's date and time, and you can go in and format the way you want. A quicker way to do it is just hit Control semicolon or Control Shift semicolon. I'll just put Control CTRL plus semicolon and then Control CTRL plus Shift plus semicolon. You have the time. Try this. This is simple. Equals this, Shift plus this, and we have July 18, 2022. Now, if we want time, Excel doesn't automatically format that. Just a note, here's a tip. In previous examples, I showed you how to customize. That customization does not carry over. If we want to customize this, go to Control C1, go to Custom, and go back to C1, go to Custom. Find a format you like. Look up here, Monday, July 18th. And if you want to add the time, add hour, HHH, semicolon, hour, minute, second. And this should modify, get rid of all this other junk. And here we have Monday, July 18th at 7:22 a.m. Well, if you see this particular format, a bunch of pound signs, that typically indicates, hey, we need more space. We can do one of two things. We can go format, auto fit column width. You can see that now we have the proper width, or the column's not wide enough, just go up to the top of your column and just extend it to whatever length you need. And there you go. Now here, something you need to be concerned about or just be aware of. The dates under now and today, they're live. They're live up here in cell C6. This is a dynamic arrangement. This is live, and this 7:18, this shows the time, 7:29. Each time you hit F9, if you want active time, if you want dynamic time, just use the now function. Otherwise, if you want a static format, then you can add these two together. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.